So today we're going to talk about production code pattern playgrounds with slots. So the problem that you might have is that you often need to visualize what a pattern might look like with specific content. So you might need certain nested components inside a pattern, or for example, you might have a sort of card component. And inside that card component, you might need to see what other smaller components, so maybe atom-based components such as buttons, what they actually look like inside that card. And it usually requires design resource, design time, then engineering resource and time. So what we're actually going to look at is how Knapsack handles that and solves that for us. So we're in Knapsack, we are on the public demo, and we are on the card component. And as you can see, we are on the React tab. And what you can see here is the production code playground. And this is on the right hand side where the slots are, as you can see here at the bottom right. And we use the word children here. So they're the children of the parent, which is the card component. And they've got different patterns. So this author and button component, for example, is coming through via the slots. And what we're going to do is show you how easy it is to actually have production code, show a visual of what this might look like. So I've added a new slot, and I'm going to choose the button component, and I'm going to select secondary. So immediately you can see what this looks like. So we've got a card component now with two buttons, and we haven't had to do anything with the design. We haven't had to then talk with engineering and also then actually spend time engineering this to see what it looks like. We've been able to do that easily with production ready code using slots, and it's that easy.